Hello, my name is Iron and this is Iron's Tech. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be having a look at these, which are the Soundcore k20i. They are semi-in-ear earbuds, very much like the Apple AirPods 2. I've seen a few videos on these, a few reviews, people saying they sound good and they have a nice equalizer to make them sound however you like. I've been using the AirPods 3 for this kind of use for quite a while, but you're not able to EQ those properly. And I quite like the warm sound they have, but sometimes if you're in a noisier place, you just can't really hear them. Especially a YouTube video, the voices don't cut through as much. So I thought I'd give these a go, see what I think. They were reduced on Amazon when I picked them up, so let's see if they were worth it. They come in this very simple box, very Soundcore looking box. It says long battery life, 36 hours with the case, 13mm drivers. They've got AI microphones. It says bass up, we'll see if that's true. It's just a picture of one of the earbuds, some of the specifications there. IPX5 rating is pretty good. I can wear them in the rain, I don't have to worry about that. Some more of the specifications on the back. They're very comfortable. EQ, more about the EQ. There's the 13mm drivers, battery life of 36 hours, AI microphone, and again with the IPX5 water resistance. In the box you get the earbuds, a case, and a charging cable, which is USB-C to USB-A. They support SBC and AAC. They are Bluetooth 5.3. That's more about the battery life and the connection down there. Let's get into them and have a look. Okay, so let's put that to the side. We've got this kind of plastic little container, and it is plastic. They're not using paper in this. It's one of their cheapest products, and it's packaged as such. So you've got a plastic tray. You've got the instructions here, which again shows you how to use all the buttons. It has these QR codes for some different languages. Very simple. Some tap gestures to play, pause, answer phones, skip tracks. You can set them up to have volume control as well. To connect them, you're going to be holding down for 3 seconds on the earbuds themselves. And I found that's just putting them into the case and then taking them out of the case puts them into pairing mode if they can't find a device they already know, which is pretty useful. Okay, let's put that aside. You also get this little card, which is it's just telling you that if you have any problems, you can contact Anchor. Little charging cable. It's quite short, but it will do the job. USB-C to USB-A. I've got so many of these now, it's almost at the point where it's like, do they need to include them in the boxes anymore? Yeah, maybe I'll make a separate video about that, about people. Do you think you need to continue to include these little charging cables in headphone cases? Because people are going to have USB-C chargers now, especially if you have a smartphone, which is what you'll be connecting these to. Even the Apple smartphones now, they're USB-C. So, okay, let's put that to the side. And then we have the earbuds themselves. And I have, disclaimer, I have already opened these and given them a listen, but I put them back in to show you what it's like to unbox them. So they come out of the plastic container and they're in this kind of plastic wrap stuff. Again, this is plastic, it's not any paper like the Apple ones have. But these are very cheap earbuds. So you take them out of the plastic and there they are. So it's quite a nice little case. It is shiny black and it does show fingerprints and scratches. I used them a little bit since I bought them and there are a few scratches across the top here and it picks up fingerprints pretty quick. But it does a pretty good job of protecting the earbuds. It's quite a robust little case. It doesn't feel cheap. It's USB-C. There is no button on here. To connect them, you literally just take them out. So if I open like that, there they are. I think they look pretty good. For cheap earbuds, they look nice. Right, left. It's got this light that tells you if they're charging, so put that back in, that comes on. This tells you there's plenty of charge left. If it flashes, it tells you there's a bit of charge left. Let me take them out and kind of show you a bit more. So they've got the marker on there for right and left. It's got a little Soundcore logo on the bottom of the stem. They're very simple. I quite like the matte contrasting with the glossy. And then that's it. So I'll be having another look at these maybe in about a week's time. I'll come back and say what I think of them. I'll use them in place of my AirPods 3, just as a comparison. They do come with an app with an equalizer. I'm quite looking forward to trying that one out. But again, this is the Soundcore k20i unboxing and first impressions. I'm quite impressed, to be honest. They're well made, they look pretty good. And again, I'll be back after some listening. So my name is Iron, this is Iron's Tech, and thank you for watching.